apples. Come here. Yeah. Can I have some, please? She's not gonna share. Can I please have some? Please. Come on, give Pushima a little bit. Please. She never shares apples. She'll share everything, everything. Just not apples. Apples, that's a no-go. She loves apples. But what if Pushima wants apples? Can I please? Can I please? Please. Please, 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 Josie, please. I just want an apple. I just really want an apple. No? Look at that. Are you just ignoring Pushima? Chelsea, hi. Wanna say hi to Pushima? Huh? Pushima's like, where? Come on. Come on. Come on. She really won't share her apples.